A trip to Ninh Binh is a must-do experience. It's just around 100 kilometers away from Hanoi, making it a perfect destination for a weekend getaway. Even though it's not by the sea, Ninh Binh boasts numerous waterways that are best explored through a unique boat tour. The highlights of Ninh Binh are Tam Coc and Trang An, two incredibly beautiful spots. Both places showcase the remarkable foot rowing technique developed by boatmen to ease strain on their hands, arms, and backs. Tam Coc, being the primary tourist hub, sees a lot of visitors, making its boat tours quite popular. These tours are shorter and are suitable for travelers with limited time. To embark on the boat tour, head to the Van Lam Pier to purchase your tickets. Once on board, you'll glide peacefully amidst lush fields and stunning karst formations. The river is so famous that about 1,300 manned rowing boats are provided to take tourists to Tam Coc and back. Each boat is numbered and must wait for its turn, sometimes taking the boat owner 4, even 13 days before it can make a first trip. As such, they do other jobs connected to servicing the visitors, like carrying their luggage or selling food so they can earn an income while waiting for their shift at the boat trip. Along the way, you'll encounter beautiful water lilies. The boat ladies may offer some goods for sale during the ride, showcasing their friendliness, which makes it hard to decline. Overall, this activity comes highly recommended for its tranquil and enjoyable nature experience. Expect clean waterways, typical of a World Heritage area, providing a peaceful atmosphere. The boats are small with limited space, and the guides might not speak much English, limiting the information provided. However, umbrellas are provided for shade, although it's advisable to carry water and protective clothing due to the intense heat. Typically, the tour includes visits to the 3 caves, Ka, Hai, and Ba, that Tam Coc is famous for. Your guide will inform you whether 2 or 4 people can share a boat. The tour usually lasts around 2 hours for a round trip. Additionally, the tour covers several other attractions such as Lam Cave, Khao San Temple, Vang Cave, Tan Truoc Cave, Dia Lin Mountain, Soi Tien Temple, Dai Cave, and Han Kung Vulam, Vulam Royal Step-Over Place. The boat tour offers an amazing and unexpectedly enjoyable experience. Cruising through limestone caves is enchanting, although you must be cautious of your head. The skilled lady paddlers navigate the caves effortlessly, showcasing their familiarity with the surroundings.
सर का ध्यान रखना सब लोग। हाँ कि वो बेस्ट करेगी तो थोड़ा बहुत लग सकता है।
Can't imagine like this.
I know. पीछे के लिए पाऊंगी क्या? देखना जो होगा जितना।
Various species of carp, including common carp and grass carp, are commonly found in rivers and freshwater bodies throughout Vietnam, including the Nung O Dong River. Ninh Binh River caves attract global tourists, all captivated by the allure of their natural charm and historical riches. Over millions of years, water's erosive force has meticulously shaped these caves from limestone karsts, creating mesmerizing geological formations. Many of these caverns bear profound cultural and historical significance, boasting ancient pagodas, temples, and inscriptions that echo centuries of human history. Moreover, these caves harbor unique ecosystems, providing sanctuary to rare species of flora and fauna, uniquely adapted to the subterranean environment. For intrepid adventurers, opportunities abound with activities such as cave kayaking and trekking, offering an immersive journey into these extraordinary natural wonders. Notably, this tour also takes you to locations featured in the movie Kong Skull Island.
बीच-बीच के तोड़ा हुआ इन लोगों ने थोड़ा सा
The boat ride along Ngo Dong River is an adventure in itself, as the oarsmen and women do not simply row the boats as a job, but also tell stories of life along the river, making one's trip a truly enchanting memory to keep sacred forever.